A warm welcome to one and all. Welcome. Good evening to all. I'll wait few minutes more to people to join in and then I will begin with my performance. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. A warm welcome to one and all. Myself, Kumari Rajalakshmi Iyer from Mumbai. I have been learning classical Bharatanatyam since 15 years under the able guidance of Guru Srimati Chaya Kanvate, Director of Nateshwar Nritya Kala Mandir. I heartily welcome you all to Nitya Bhava presents Navalayas Utsav, Navalasya Utsav, where they presents Navadurga for this Navratri festival. And I feel really blessed and happy to be a small part of this Utsavam, as I have got an opportunity to perform on Charini, a form of Parvati or Navadurga. So before going on to the Brahmacharini piece, with this note, I shall seek blessings of Lord Nataraja and my Guru, and I shall present a small shlok, Dhyana Shlok from Lalita Sahasranamam, which was written by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. And so, presenting Dhyana Shlokam, music credits goes to Aditi Shankar Narayanan. So, presenting a short Shlokam on Goddess Lalita.
सिंदूरारुण विग्रहा त्रिनयना Halipurna Ratna Chashakam Raktodbhalam Vibhrati Saumya ध्याये Ambika, Ambika.
Navadurga. All the 9 forms of Durga, Devi represents 9 different qualities. Shakti means energy, and Devi Shakti is the source of unseen energy that maintains and sustains this creation. Navratri celebrates and honors the 9 different aspects of Mother Divine, also known as Navadurga. The Devi Shakti, or the feminine spirit, it encompasses and supplements qualities such as strength, transformation, anger, beauty, compassion, fear, and power. These qualities are reflected in each individual in different events and in this universe as a whole. What does Brahman means? That which has no end, nor source, or nor beginning. Brahmacharini means one who is present and moves in the infinity. She is energy that is not stagnant but moving in infinity. This is very important thing to understand. One is moment and the other is presence. This is what Brahmacharini means. Not indulging in small things, not getting stuck in small limited things, but indulging in the whole. Brahmacharini is the consciousness that is all pervading. A small glimpse of how and what is Brahmacharini. The music credits goes to Saregama India Madhuvanti Tilana by Lalgudi G. Ra Krishnan and Vijaya Lakshmi. Om chanting from Mindfulness Core Mantra by Shalini Ved and story recited by Story Bible. Presenting a short glimpse of Goddess Brahmacharini.
Shakti means energy, power or empowerment, and Goddess Shakti represents the female energy of the universe. The festival of Navratri is dedicated to honoring and worshipping this energy in various forms. On the second day of Navratri, Goddess Shakti is worshipped in a form called Brahmacharini. Here's a story of how the goddess became Brahmacharini. Once upon a time, Lord Shiva's first companion, goddess Sati, was reborn as Parvati, the daughter of the mountain Himalaya. Parvati to bring Shiva out of his deep meditation so that he could have a child who was destined to kill the demon Tarakasur. Parvati did not know this about herself. One day, sage Narad was passing by the Himalayas and saw Parvati. He immediately recognized her as goddess Shakti herself. He approached Parvati with great respect and told her that she had taken this birth to marry Lord Shiva, who was her husband in her previous birth as Sati. But Parvati would have to engage in deep penance or tapasya so that Shiva may realize who she really is and that her devotion is true. Upon hearing this, Parvati went home and declared to her parents that she would marry Lord Shiva and that she was going to engage in penance. Her parents Himalaya and Mena were very worried, but Parvati was steadfast in her resolution. And so, for the next thousands of years, Parvati performed extreme tapasya. She gave up all worldly pleasures and stayed in the forests. Whether it was the harsh sun rays or pouring rain that fell on her, she continued her tapasya. The mountain princes adopted a life of severe austerity and discipline during the tapasya. Someone who takes a vow of giving up on worldly pleasures and comforts and engaging in penance and prayer is said to have taken up brahmacharya. And so, because of the extreme penance that Parvati had undertaken, she came to be known as Brahmacharini. eventually, Lord Brahma's voice resonated in the skies saying, Devi Brahmacharini, the gods are very pleased with your penance and are in great admiration of your strength. Your wish will be fulfilled and you will marry Lord Shiva soon.
दधाना कर पद्माभ्याम अक्षमाला कमण्डलू देवी प्रसीदतु मयि ब्रह्मचारिणी उत्तमा.
Represents dedication, devotion, and determination that allows a person to follow the sometimes difficult path to achieving one's goals. On the second day of Navratri, Goddess Shakti is worshipped in this form of Brahmacharini.
Now, I will be presenting a beautiful Devi Stuti, Ranjani Mala, which is again in praise of Goddess Devi herself in Raga Malikai and Talamadhi. So presenting Ranjani Mala.
रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी रंजनी मृदु अम्ब सामगार विनोदिनी अम्ब सामगार विनोदिनी शशांकवदनी वारजननी मेघ रंजनी मेघ रंजनी
Now I will be presenting a beautiful piece in praise of Goddess Kamakshi, which is sung by Srimati Nityashri, Janani Janani Janani.
जननी 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 जगत्कारणि पूरणि नारणि 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 जननी जननी गान विनोदिनी गान विनोदिनी कामाक्षी गान विनोदिनी कामाक्षी कमलतिरुपदमे पणिदेन अनुदिनमे परमरुण कमलतिरुपदमे पणिदेन अनुदिनमे परमरुण जननी 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 जगत्कारणि पूरणि नारणि जननी 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 जगत्कारणि पूरणि नारणि जननी 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 பாடி பாடி உந்தன் பாதம் பணிந்து வந்தேன் பார்வதியே பரமேஸ்வரியே கோடி கோடி துன்பம் ஓடி மறையுமே உன்னருள் பார்வையிலே பாடி பாடி உந்தன் பாதம் பணிந்து வந்தேன் பார்வதியே பரமேஸ்வரியே கோடி கோடி துன்பம் ஓடி மறையுமே உன்னருள் பார்வையிலே கடை கண் பாராயோ ஓ
once again, I take this moment to thank Nitya Baba and Suprajaka for organizing such a beautiful Utsavam and giving me this wonderful opportunity to perform live from online and from indoor. So thank you so much for this lovely opportunity, and it really means a lot and it feels really blessed and honored. So thank you for making my day a special. So thank you Suprajaka and all the team members for your lovely work, and my Guru Srimati Chaya Khanvate. Because of her guidance and support, I am here in front of you all dancing. So thank you so much, Auntie. And special thanks to my mom, because she is the backbone support in my dance career, and she always been very supportive and encouraging. So thank you so much, Amma. And lastly, you all audience and Rasikas for joining in today's evening session with me. Hope you all enjoyed. Be safe, stay safe, have a wonderful evening ahead. Enjoy this festival of Navratri, 9 colors Navadurga, and be this Goddess Durga shower her blessings and give us prosperity and happiness in our life. So thank you all. Namaste. See you all.